Hello, welcome back, welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and this is the second part of the salmon poncho that we started last week. Did you remember? I started this poncho the last week and look, this is the final result and I give you homework and you should be in this part so far. If you haven't, well, you should watch the video that I uploaded last week. It's also the name of this video is Poncho Salmon Poncho Part 1. So this will be the first part, the second part, and we are going to use the same materials that we were using, but in case you miss it, well, I will give you the material list again, but remember that you don't have to buy it more material. With the material that I show you in the first video, well, you are going to use the same quantity of skein of yarns, okay? Well, so enjoy the second part. I hope that you enjoy the first part with me. And please, if you have any doubt or if you have any question, please let me know and I will answer back as soon as I can read it, okay? Well, so let's start. Let's don't lose more time. And here I will leave again the material list, but remember that you don't have to buy any more, okay? So let's continue. Well, for this salmon poncho, I will use 300 grams of Rio. This is a fine material. I love to use it. It's a very good quality. And we are going to use 2 skeins of yarn of Lentejuela. Each of this one has 15 grams, so we are going to need 100 grams and a crochet hook of 4 millimeters. Well, this is where you are supposed to be. We finished the last video in this step. Remember that I give you homework, so I hope that you made it. As I told you, if you have any question, if you have any doubt, well, please let me know. If not, well, you can watch the video again and then you will see that it's pretty easy. Well, we are going to continue with our crochet hook of number 4, remember? Remember that we made 110 chains and the arch with 30 extended double crochet each of this one, and then double crochet and these triangles, double crochet, and remember that the last two I told you that we are going to make 5 extended double crochets. I want to share this mistake with you because I don't want that this happen to you. At the end I saw that I was creating a bigger shape, so at the end I just put 4 extended double crochet instead of 5. So I finished in this row and I made 4 series like this one. So I'm going to finish here. I felt that at the end this could be like a medium size or biggest size. I didn't calculate it correctly, but please don't increase more stitches, okay? With these stitches it's fine. I think for a small size will look good too. We are going to slip 1 to close and then we are going to make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are going to make 25 chains. 25 chains and we are going to skip 8, and in the 9th we are going to insert our hook, and here is where we are going to start this row. We are going to repeat this series 5 single crochet, then 25 chains, and we are going to skip 8, and in the 9th we are going to insert our hook and single crochet, and like this the whole row. 5 single crochet, 25 chains, we are going to skip 8, and in the 9th we are going to insert. Okay, so see you when I finish this row. Well, here I finished the row, and at the end I saw that some stitches were left, so I decided to leave more spaces in between so I can have less stitches left. Okay, so at the end I left, instead of 9, 10 stitches. Part of this step is that you shouldn't have arch smaller than the others, okay? So be careful. And we are going to slip until the middle of this single crochet, and from here we are going to start making the double crochets for the arches. Look like this. I don't know if you said extended double crochet of double crochet, but I think in this case it's extended double crochet, right? Please let me know because I'm confused, but well, please try to make them loose. At the end of the arch, well, you are going to make a single crochet and you are going to go right away to the next arch. And we are going to continue like this the whole row with 30 extended double crochet. At the end of this row, we are going to join like this. We are going to slip one, and to continue we are going to slip 12 stitches. I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. We are going to slip one more, and from here we are going to start making extended double crochet of 6 crochets. Look, 5 chains, and we are going to make one chain more, so we will make 6. Grab your yarn twice, insert your hook, bring 1, bring 2, and 2 together, and again 1 chain, and we are going to repeat the same. Like this we are going to make 10. Okay, so far it has to look like this, with 1 chain of division. Look, here I finished the 10 extended double crochet, so grab your yarn twice, and you are going to skip 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and in the 13th you are going to insert the hook, and you are going to make extended double crochets too. And we are going to repeat what we made here, so like this the whole row. At the end of the row you are going to slip 1 to close, and now we are going to start making single crochets. 1 inside this space and 1 here. 1 inside and 1 here, like this, until we arrive until the middle of this shell. So we are going to count the spaces. We have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are going to make 2 chains. Here we are going to make the peacock stitch. It's like this if you don't know. So this is the peacock stitch, and then we are going to continue making single crochet. Remember that we are going to make 1 here and 1 inside, and like this. Remember to always take both threads with you, 1 thread of lentejuela and 1 thread of rio, and this will be the last row. It will be the final touches for this poncho. So remember, we are going to make 1 single crochet inside and 1 in the top of the extended double crochet, and like this the whole row. Okay, so let's continue and see you when I finish. And at the end, in the neckline, if you feel that it's too wide, well, you can make a row of single crochet of crab stitch to reduce a little bit. Okay, well, with this we will be finished. Well, so what do you think? I love making this garment. I will tell you the story about this garment. Well, I was in the World Trade Center in Mexico City, and all the people loved this project. I was wearing this poncho. So I promised them that I will upload this video because some of them didn't finish this project there. So I promised them that I will show them how you can make it. But it was a little bit long, so I decided to make 2 parts. Remember that this is the second part. If you missed the first part, well, here it's in my YouTube channel, okay? Well, these are one of my old magazine where I show you how you can make this cardigan that I also show you in this channel. You can find it here in my YouTube channel in Laura Cepeda English. And also you can find in this magazine this poncho that one of my models is wearing. She looks beautiful. Here I share some pictures of this day where this model was wearing this poncho that I love. I love also how this color looks in here, and I'm sure that it will look beautiful too here in the magazine. I give you the step by step and I show you the diagram. Please ask for them. You can find it in my online store. This is an old magazine and I used to work with another editorial, but now I'm working with another company. But well, you can ask for the magazines that I made and that I have available in my online store, okay? These are my own words, so you will understand, and it will be very easy to understand too. Well, I was very happy to be with all of you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope that you like it and I hope that you make it. Please, if you make it, send me a picture and tag me. I will be very happy to see you wearing this poncho. Please give me a like and subscribe and share this video if you want, and leave me in the comments what do you want me to make for the next video and for the next project, okay? And follow me in all my social media, okay? Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. So see you next Wednesday. Bye.